Thank you for joining Simply Cooking with Sean. If you're new here and you love food related content, you're in the right place. So like, share, and subscribe. And when you do, click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And to all of my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. As you can see, I am in a different kitchen today. In today's video, I will be preparing breakfast for my family. We are on family vacation, and it's 17 of us, well 18 of us with my new niece. I will show you how I prepare this simple breakfast of grits, eggs, bacon, and sausage. So come along and I'll show you how I get this breakfast for 17 done. To save time, I'm preparing the bacon in the oven. So I've got my oven preheating at 400 degrees and I've lined both pans with foil and I'm laying the bacon on the pans and I will let the bacon cook in the oven while I prepare the rest of the meal. Here I have 12 links of smoked sausages that I'm cutting in half and some in fourths in preparation to cook. Okay, so I've got 2 pans here. And I'm going to add some cooking oil to both of them. Let that heat up and I'll start adding the sausages. And while they are cooking, I'll go ahead and get the grits prepped. When it comes to our grits, I simply just follow the directions on the package. So like I said, it's 17 of us. And so 1 cup of grits equals 4 servings. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do about 5 cups of grits and put it right into the pot here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my brother over there that thinks he is the oldest.
Good morning, everyone.
All right, so now I'm going to take this grits and I'm going to give it a nice rinse. Go ahead and add extra cup in there. So instead of 5 cups, I'm adding 6 cups, just to make sure that we have enough for everybody. We're going to give it a nice wash. See all of that floating to the top there? That's what you want to get off of your grits. Pour that right on out into the sink. And I'm going to repeat the process. All right, so I'm going to need 24 cups of water. I've got a 2-cup measuring cup here, so I'm going to fill this with water 12 times to get our 24 cups of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I've got my water all ready to go. So I'm just going to pour my grits right into the pot with the water. Got my pot here on the stove and we're going to get it cranked up and let it come to a boil. So I got some milk here. And I'm not going to measure the milk. I'm just going to pour it in there till it look right. That's probably about half a cup. And the milk is going to make it creamy, y'all. Now we're going to get back to our sausages. We're going to get them flipped over. That's how you want them to be. Get a nice color on them. Take these out. While the sausages are finishing up and the grits are going, I have my sister-in-law here. Say hello to the people.
Hey, everybody.
This is my silly brother's wife, and I mean silly in a good way. I love my brother, but he just make us laugh so much. That's why I call him silly. But this is his beautiful wife, and nobody called you, okay? Y'all see him over there? Nobody called him. Anyway, His wife is cracking the eggs for us. All right, we're gonna get the last of our sausages out of the pan. I'm gonna go ahead and whisk up the eggs, but I'm not gonna add the salt or pepper to the eggs until after they are cooked. Just before cooking the eggs, I took a block of cheese and grated it up for those that desire to have cheese on their grits. Okay, as the grits is finishing up, I am going to go ahead and get the eggs going. So I'm going to use cooking oil and some cooking spray. After the oil heated up, I went ahead and added the eggs that was whisked to each of the two pans, got them scrambled, and then transferred them to a pan that we were serving them out of. After these two pans were done, we had some egg remaining in the bowl, so we had to cook a third pan of eggs to get all of the eggs prepared for our large family breakfast. And thanks to my brother, he stepped in preparing that final pan. It was all hands on deck in getting this breakfast all done and ready to put on the table. Finally, we got everything prepared, and at this point, I was just pouring the grits from the pot into a pan that we were serving it out of. Breakfast was all set and ready to serve. We had the smoked sausage, we had the hot grits, we had just shredded cheese to put on top of the grits for those that desire to have that, the bacon, and last but certainly not least, the scrambled eggs. We quickly got everyone served and sat around the breakfast table and had a little family interaction. We got one clean plate already. Everybody say hi. Hi. Y'all, they ready to eat. What did you say? What did you say? What does that mean?
More food.
So he already cleaned this plate, the first one to finish, and he's asking for more already. Some of the rest of the family enjoying their breakfast. If your family is venturing on a vacation together, or you're just simply having a family get together, this is a simple and easy breakfast to prepare. It does not cost a whole lot to feed everybody. Everyone enjoyed themselves. We had great conversations with one another, and we are so looking forward to our next family vacation. That concludes today's video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already. And click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, be blessed.